So welcome guys, today we're going to learn how to create a countdown timer using Canva for free. So we're now on the Canva home page, so we'll go ahead and click on custom size. So when you click on custom size, this pop-up allows us to select the dimensions of our the style of dimensions of our countdown timer. So I'll go for 1100 times 400 because I want it to be rectangular. So you can see a rectangular canvas has appeared. Then I'll just go ahead and add a background. So I'll click on photos and select a background for my countdown timer. So I'll just select this blue one and I'll set it as the background. So I'll just set image as background. So you can see I have a background for my countdown timer. So next, I'm going to select a circle. I want the numbers to be in a circle that will be very visible. So I'll go to elements, click on elements and select circle from elements. You can see I've selected circle, which I'll go ahead to edit right now. So I don't want it to be really round, so I'll just edit it, make it longer on both sides. Then I'll go ahead and select change the color. I don't want it to be dark, I want it whitish. You can see it's now more visible. So next I'm going to start adding the numbers into the circle. So since it is a countdown timer, right? So, and I want it to be a 10 seconds countdown timer. So it will be counting down from 10 to 0. So I'll just click on add a heading so it will be very bold. And I'll go ahead and type in 10 since it is a 10-second timer. So I've typed it, I'll make it very big and visible, place it at the center. So that is how I'll start. After adding the number, I'll just edit it and group the number and the circle so it will be easier to move about. I'll just go ahead and group them. So you can see it's very difficult to edit now, but when I group them together it will be easy to edit. I'll just group them so they are now grouped together. So the next thing I'm going to do is to change the timing, that is the length of this timer. As you can see, it is set at 5 seconds. But I have now shifted to 1 second since I want my countdown timer to be in seconds. So the timing has now been changed to 1 second. So this number 10 will only appear for 1 second before the next number comes up. So after I have changed the timer, don't forget to change the timer first. Then you go ahead and duplicate the page. So when we get to number 1, instead of adding the next number, which is 0, this is the point where we'll convert our countdown timer to a video. So if you look up, you'll see that there is no option for you to play your countdown timer. So what we're going to do now, instead of duplicating the page, we're going to add a new blank page. Then we'll go to our videos and look for a short video that we can add to the end of our timer. Once you add a video to the end, it will convert the whole thing to a video. You can see the play button has now appeared. So let us edit this video, make it to fit the whole canvas. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going ahead to edit the video. So once I add the video, I'll go ahead to adjust the length. Since mine is a 10-second timer, I will just adjust the length of the video to 1 second. If I should adjust it to 1 second, instead of after the number 1, the next number that is supposed to show up is 0, but this 1 second video will show up. So I have used this video to replace the number 0, and at the same time I've converted my timer to a video. So but if you click on play at the top, you can see the timer begins to count down because it has been converted to a video. So I can see after number 1, this short video shows up. So guys, this is how to create your own countdown timer using Canva. Then you can go ahead and use it wherever you want to. So in case you're interested in creating countdown timers, this is how to create it. Then when you're satisfied with the timer, you go ahead and click on download to download your countdown timer. So if I go ahead right now and click on the download button, then Canva will give me options. Be sure to download it as an MP4 video or as a GIF, depending on where you want to use it, either MP4 or GIF. Then you download it as either of them. You can go ahead and use it as you want. So I'm going to download mine as an MP4 video. So this is how to make an easy countdown time. I hope you learned something new from this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and write in the comments section videos that you would like to see us make on this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.